Best way to convert any file into PDF for free. Welcome to How to Do It, and today we're gonna talk about that best way to convert any file into PDF. I'm gonna let you know. First of all, request you like the video and subscribe the channel to get more videos like this. Now, many time it happens with us that we our image or Word file we need into PDF so that we can upload or we can share with anyone. So how we can do? Let's begin the video. First of all, we have to go to the internet browser into our laptop or computer. Over there, this is not promotional. We have to type ilovepdf.com. This is the website. Now, if you want to convert Word to PDF, click over here. And if you want to convert from JPG image to PDF, you can click over here. I am clicking over here, JPG to image to PDF, and select the image and convert and download this. Voila, image has been converted. Now it can be open over here. This is the image we have converted. If you want to do same with the Word, just click on the Word and convert from image to Word. Okay, selected the file. It's trying to convert because it's convert from internet. Convert the to PDF and download. That's the way you can easily convert any file into PDF. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Bye bye for now.